Hey guys, it's Dom from City Warmth in Brighton, and in today's quick video we're going to be servicing a Radmag. Now if you've purchased a Radmag but haven't installed it yet, you're going to want to go to our other video for instructions on how to do so. The link for that is in the description below. If you've already installed it or you just want to continue anyway with servicing the Radmag video, let's go. Okay, you'll find instructions for servicing the Radmag on the paperwork that comes with the Radmag, but if you've already thrown that out, then follow along. The instructions say to turn the radiator off on both sides before you commence the work, like this. And then you're going to want to let the air out the top of the Radmag like this. Don't forget your towel in case a little dribble of water should come out. But if you've already closed both sides of the radiator, you should be good to go. Next, take your adjustable spanner and undo the Radmag by going lefty-loosey or anti-clockwise. And pull the Radmag out of the towel rail. There we can see we've got a good amount of stuff already on this Radmag. We're going to want to get the Radmag fully out the towel rail and then clean that off with a rag or under a tap. You see the dirt comes off very nicely on a Radmag. The magnets really are great for catching all sorts of debris that will get in your heating system, and they're so easy to maintain. The manufacturer suggests every 6 months, but you can assess how often you want to do that based on the condition of the Radmag when you take it out the first time. Once you're happy that the magnet is all cleaned off, you're going to want to put it back in the towel rail. Don't forget to tighten it up again using your adjustable spanner. And the bit that I quite often forget, don't forget to close the bleed point on top of the radiator before you open the valves underneath. Like so. Right, let's open both valves on the bottom of this radiator again. Lefty-loosey. With all radiators, you should have one that is a main control for going on or off, and the other one is for balancing. So you should only have that open a certain amount of rotations. Ideally, you counted at the start how far open it was, and you just open it the same way again afterwards. When you're happy both valves are open as they should be, go back to the top of the radiator with your adjustable spanner and towel and just bleed the Radmag until water comes out. Close it back, clean off, go check your boiler system pressure and top up as needed. Anything between 1.0 and 1.5 bar is what we're looking for with a fully bled and pressurised combi boiler or pressurised heating system. And that's you done. These Radmags really are great pieces of kit for heating engineers or DIY enthusiasts who just want to make sure they're doing more to protect the heating system. As per the manufacturer's instructions again, check it every 6 months, more frequently if you think it's dirty and needs to be done, or less frequently. Base it on however it looks every time you take it out. But don't forget, it needs to be done at least once a year with the boiler service. Thanks for watching guys, and please make sure you hit subscribe to stay up to date in all other energy saving tips, tricks, homeowner videos and boiler stuff that we upload at City Warmth in Brighton. Thanks very much, bye bye.